Good morning students. Today we are going to do the poem Trees and written by Shirley Baur. So Shirley Baur wrote this poem very beautifully and she is highlighting the importance of trees in this poem. She used poetic device anaphor. Anaphor, that means when we repeat some words again and again in the beginning. Like you can see, trees are, trees are, trees are. So here the poetess is repeating these words again and again. So we can say anaphor is used, and it is used to give rhythm to the poem. Okay. So we all know that trees are priceless treasure for not only human being but to the animals also, to the birds also. Okay. So we can't imagine our life without trees on this planet. So let me read the poem for you. Trees are for birds, trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. So we can see that trees are very much important for the birds, because birds make their nest on the trees, they live on the trees. Okay, and trees are for children, and trees are not only fulfill our necessity but are a great source of enjoyment for children. So the children enjoy a lot, like they can hide behind the tree, they can play around the tree. Okay, they can hang swing in the tree. Okay, so let's see. Trees are to make tree houses in. So children can make tree houses in the trees. And trees are also useful to man, as they can get wood from the trees and they can use these wood to make their houses. Trees are to swing songs. So we know that on the festival of these, children hang swing in the trees and they enjoy swing. Trees are for the wind to blow through. So whenever wind passes through the trees, it becomes cool. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek, and when children play hide and seek, they can hide behind the tree, and they this way they enjoy a lot. Trees are to have tea parties under. So we can have tea parties under the trees, or we can enjoy. Okay. Trees are for kites to get caught in, and whenever children fly kites, sometime what happen, kites get caught in the trees, and children feel sorry for this person. No need to feel sorry for this, because you can have more kites. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and cut timber. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to break this fall." So here we can see that trees provide a cool shade in summer, and there are different kinds of trees that do not provide any shade, and they are helpful in winter also. Okay, so because in winter we don't need any shade. Okay, so there are different kind of trees who do not provide shade. Okay, so trees, there are lots of fruit trees, and we can get different kind of fruits from the trees, like apples, like pears. Okay, trees are to chop down, and whenever we chop down or whenever we cut down the trees, we can get wood. Okay, timber, that means wood. Trees too, and we can use this wood in different way. Okay? Trees can make mothers say, and whenever the mothers look at the trees, they can get idea for the children, that they can draw the trees and they can fill colors in them. Trees make fathers say, and whenever the fathers look at the trees, when they see the lots of fallen leaves, they can say that they can remark that they has to gather all the leaves with the help of rake. Rake, that means a tool that we use to gather the leaves.